Okay, finding largest elements in array using the following header. Then we are going to get 10 numbers and then display the maximum value. It seems like 9.5. So this exercise is about the processing array using methods. Okay, we have 3 components: input, process, output. Let's copy the methods. It's going to return double value. So let's say max. So double, max 0.0. Actual implementation, I will come back. Let's look at input. Scanner input. New scanner system in. Import scanner class. So we're going to get enter 10 numbers. It means we need an array up to 10 numbers. Okay, for loop. Int I equal to 0. Number dot length. One at a time. So numbers based on input next double. Using I index. Output. We are going to have a message. Max number is. It's going to return double value max. Numbers. Okay, we are going to pass it as array. So max number should be 9.5 using sample. So for loop. Start with the first one. And the reason why I start I equal to 1, the first index 0, I'm going to use it as a max number and start to compare with the next elements. So max less than a array I. That's the case. Array number 1 is bigger than max. So we replace it. That way we can find the biggest elements. So let me add the numbers. 4.2, 4.8, 6.8, 9.5, 5.6, 6.7. Max number is 9.5. Pretty much that's all. Thank you.